Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. I have such a fun day planned for us today. Let me show you. First, we're going to do our circle time, and that's when we sing good morning to everyone. After that, we're going to sing a quick turkey song because I have some really fun science experiments to show you that you can try at your house. Then, we're going to sing the goodbye song. All right, friends, so first, let's get our hands ready to wave and sing the good morning song. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so happy you could come today. All right, I'm going to take circle time down, and now I have a fun turkey song to sing with you. And it goes like this. Have you ever seen a turkey, a turkey, a turkey? Have you ever seen a turkey with feathers so bright? There's red ones and brown ones and yellow ones and orange ones. Have you ever seen a turkey with feathers so bright? Oh my goodness, they do have very bright feathers. All right, now I have a really cool science experiment to show you. So let me take this down. And the special activity is a science experiment. So let me show you what I found at the store. Right now at the store, you can find, do you know what these are? It's a fruit and it's red. They kind of look like cherries, but they're not cherries. They are cranberries. And you can buy cranberries right now because at Thanksgiving time, and that's the next holiday that's about to happen, a lot of people eat cranberries for Thanksgiving dinner. So you can find these really easily in the store right now. And so let me show you some things that you can do with cranberries that's really, really fun. Well, first of all, let me show you what I made. I made cranberry slime. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, it's so gooey. But you know what the cool part is? This one is edible. It means you can try it. You can taste it. Not bad. It has sugar and water and some other things in it. You can easily find these recipes if you just go to Pinterest or Google and type in edible cranberry slime. And I even put some cranberries in there to play with. So that's really fun to do. Another thing you can use cranberries for is you could take some cranberries. This is what a real cranberry looks like. And also some toothpicks. And you can make shapes with them. So you could take a toothpick, and it's really hard because these are frozen, but you can try and push the toothpick in here and push the toothpick over here, and you can make different shapes. What shape did I make? A triangle. Isn't that cool? That's fun to do. Whoops, it came apart. Now, last thing I like to do is a little science experiment called sink or float. So we're going to try different kinds of cranberries, and we're going to put them in some water, and we're going to see if we're going to think first, and then we're going to test it. If the things are going to float, that means they float on top of the water, they stay right on top, or if they're going to sink, that means they're going to go down, down, down to the bottom and sink. Okay, so let's try. Our first one is going to be a fresh cranberry. Okay, now let's think about this. Do you think it's going to sink? You can put your thumb down if you think it's going to sink, or you think it's going to float. You can put your thumb up like this. Scientists like to guess first before they try their experiment. All right, so now we're going to test it. Let me move my camera over to my water. Here's my water, friends. So Miss Jessica's going to drop it in. And I don't know if you can see it. Oh. But it's floating on top of the water. It's floating. It didn't sink, friends. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try another one. Now, another kind of cranberry you can buy is dried cranberries. So this is like a regular cranberry. It used to be like this, but then they dried it. So this is kind of like a raisin. Some people call it a craisin. It's like a dried cranberry. So let's think, scientists. Is it going to float in the water like our other cranberry did? Or is it going to sink? Show me with your thumb what you think. What do you think, scientists? All right, here we go. We're going to try it. I've got my dried cranberry, and we're going to put it in the water. Oh my word, it went right to the bottom. It went all the way down, so it sank. Okay, that was interesting. Now, another kind of cranberry you can find right now is a can of cranberries. There's cranberries inside this can, and this is called cranberry sauce. And some people eat this on Thanksgiving Day. So, what do you think is going to happen when Miss Jessica puts this in the water? Is it going to float, or is it going to sink? You have to think about it, scientists. Okay, you got your idea? All right, let's try it. Oh boy, here it goes into the water and oh, it sinks. Cans are pretty heavy, especially that can, so that one sunk too. So that's a really fun science experiment to try to see if things are going to float or sink. All right, so friends, we're all done with that. So now we're going to sing the goodbye song. All right, here we go. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe two, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow, chow, brown cow, see you soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop, chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye, bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, our day now, and so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.